Hello there. Today I'm going to use the slow cook function on my Cosori pressure cooker. And I forgot that it had a musical lid. I like that. Anyway, I'm going to use the glass lid that came with it. I believe that came with that. If not, find one that matches. I have a 3-pound Angus beef chuck roast. And it's seasoned. And I believe it's marinated, seasoned and ready to cook. And this is one of them deals where you could cook in the bag if you want in the oven, but I don't want to do that. I really don't want to cook in plastic. I'm just going to cut it, put it in here with a bunch of little pee-wee potatoes, a couple big mushrooms, and some garlic. I might even throw some cream of mushroom soup in there, because I like it. And that'll give me the liquid I need. And this is going to cook for 8 or 9 hours while I sleep today, hopefully. Okay? And I'm going to wake up around supper time. Alright, come over here, let's get this started. I'm going to add a can of cream of mushroom soup to the bottom of my pot for a little base. I'm going to add 1 can of water. I'm not going to add too much water here, but 1 can of water for that. Give that a little stir. Your stirring utensil. I like mushroom soup. This is a good mushroom theme. See the mushrooms I cut up here on a cutting board? Smell good and fresh too. Right now, let me lay my piece of meat down there. Open that up. I'm not going to cook in plastic. I don't want to do that. Some people like to do that. I don't know. Something weird about it. You'll tell me, that's for sure. Nicely seasoned. See that? Alright, now don't shrink too much on me. About 3 or 4 or 5 cloves of garlic right on top of the meat, or wherever they land. Smell that? Mushrooms, whatever size or style you have. Look at this. Woo! 1 more can of cream of mushroom on top. Oh, what did I forget? Potatoes. I forgot the potatoes. That's going to be good like that. Got a pound of them pee-wee potatoes. I hid my meat. 1 more can of cream of mushroom soup. Put it on top of the gravy. It's going to incorporate real good. Don't worry about that. 1 more water. Just a shot of water. Get some goodness out of the can. Just a shot of water in there. Alright, it's going to be good. You wait. Now, I have to sleep all day, hopefully, and I get to smell this delicious meal. And if you didn't have a glass lid like I have, you could still use the lid that came with it. Just do not put it in pressure mode. Put it in venting mode. Whatever pressure cooker you're using as a slow cooker. You can still use this, leave it in venting mode. But I like to use a glass lid, and I'm not sure if this came with it or not, but lots of lids fit. Okay, come down here to the control panel. We have a slow cook function. I want to go temperature, I want 200, and time I want to go to 9 hours. I'll probably be up before that, and 8 hours might be enough, but I want to go 9. And that's it. Press start. This goes up to 12 hours. When it finishes, it'll go into keep warm mode. Let's go start counting down, and it's going to smell so good. Look in the lid there. You see? That's why I like the lid, so I can look at it. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. All right, stop back while I have my supper. Wish me sweet dreams, smelling this meat. I'll be dreaming of garlic fairies and meat parties. I'll see you later. I'm awake. See, the time is up and it went to a countdown. Keep warm. Stop that. I didn't open it once, and I didn't wake up once. Remember what it looked like in the lid? There's the glass top opening. Let's look. Oh, a lot of juice in there, eh? Get some kind of spoon. Here's a spoon. Oh, the meat has risen. Look. Here's the, oh, it's falling apart. Just try not to let it fall apart. Let me get some tongs or something here. See what we can do with this. Bear with me. Look at that. Oh, yes. I was gonna pour the whole thing out. Oh, it smells so delicious with the mushrooms. Look at this. You get a good shot of that? Sure you do. Remember, I'm just waking up. Now, if I was gonna use this as a pressure cooker, making the same meal, it would have went about 90 minutes. Got a big piece in there. All right, there's still a lot of potatoes and a lot of meat and juice in there. Is that my plate? Let's see now. I don't need a sharp knife, I know that. But I don't want to break it apart. I just want to cut into it. Seasoned Angus chuck roast. Almost forgot what it was. Angus. Some taters out here. Now I could take it out of the other pot because I made room. I smell so good. You're not seeing my plate. That one's mine, that one's yours. What do you think? Take a bite of that. I'll take that meat out. Oh, look at it. Oh, all right, I know. What are you telling me? Still plugged in. Put the lid back on. Thank you, Cosori. That's a good one from Cosori. This is the best. That's from potato. So thanks for watching this. Try that in your Cosori or your pressure cooker using the slow cook mode. Or go high pressure for 90 minutes. But this was perfect. Wasn't it? Alright. Whoa! Okay, have a nice night or day. Try this in your pressure cooker or slow cooker too. Yeah, do in a crock pot. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good day.